Okay, so good morning, all students, and yes. So today, before starting with today's topic, I will link with yesterday what we have studied, and let me see how much you can recall also. Today, our topic of discussion is organ and tissue specific manifestation. Okay, we are continuing with the rediscussion of the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill along with the practice workout. So, in our last class, we did infectious diseases, agents of the infectious diseases, means of spread of infectious diseases. Now, yesterday, when we discussed about the means of spread of infectious diseases, then yesterday and today's class get automatically connected. Organ and tissue specific manifestation. First of all, what is the other name of infectious disease? What is the other name of infectious disease? Just I am checking the participation list also. What is the name of infectious disease? What is the other name of infectious disease? All of you send your reply through the chat box. What is the other name of infectious disease? What is the other name of infectious disease? Student, you should not take so much of, okay, Sakshi, Aditya, correct, Vaishnavi. I'm counting the responses. Sahil, Niharika, Saloni. See, 6 students. Divyansh, okay, Ritesh, Ayan. Till now all the answers are correct. Piyush, Shweta, correct Vinayak, Rudra, correct. Krish, okay, fine, good. Many students have responded. This response should be from all the students, okay? Yes, definitely the infectious disease are called, or we can say the other name of infectious disease is communicable disease, okay, because it spreads or transmitted from one person to the another through various agents. Now students, can you name 4 agents which are responsible for the transmission of the infectious disease? Altogether, all the 4 names you will type in the chat box at the same time, and then you will say, no Sakshi, I have not asked the medium of spread. I asked any 4 infectious agent, any 4 infectious agent. Very good, Piyush, very good. Yes, you have given me 5 names. Okay, Piyush, correct. With 5 agents you have given. I want Aditya, all the 4 agents you type at the same time and then you send it to me. Just 1 minute. One more setting I have to do. Just 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Yes. Either yes. If I say all the 5 bacteria, virus, fungi, worm, yes. Protozoa, correct. Yes, these are the infectious agents. Okay, fine. Now, yes, correct. Now, again, my next question, what are the common means of spread of infectious disease? This you will be writing all the answers togetherly in the chat box and then you send it to me. What are the common or what are the means of spread of infectious disease? And after completion of this question, we will proceed with the organ and tissue specific manifestation, that is today's topic. Okay. Okay, direct transmission, air, food, okay. Physical air, yes, physical contact through air, water, food, direct and indirect physical contact. Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, correct. Animal bites, sexual contact, vectors, very good. Vectors, through vectors. Okay. For Aryaman, it is fomite. Students, next I will ask you again a question. What is fomite? Or what do you mean by fomite-borne infection? What do you mean by fomite-borne infection? Please answer to this question and then yes. Okay, I'm waiting for the answer of this question. Fomite-borne infection. Fomite-borne infection. Infected article. Okay, very good. Infected article, correct. Which coming in contact with the infected person, yes, infected article, very good. In 2 words, you can say infected article. Very good, students. So we have studied till now infectious disease, means of infectious disease, how the infectious disease spread. And then I'm coming to the topic organ and tissue specific manifestation. Very good. Now, for this, let me share the slide with you all. Yes, is my image visible to all? Is the image visible to all? Is my screen? Yes, students. Is it visible to all? Just give me a quick remark. Okay. Okay. Now, students, yes, this is our today's topic. As I told you that why I have asked you yesterday's topic, because if you can link yesterday's topic, then today's topic will be very clear and very easy for you to understand. Now, organ specific and tissue specific manifestation. Yes, this means organ specific. Organ specific. What does this 2 word mean? Organ specific. If I use this 2 word, organ specific, what does this word mean? Organ specific. Tell me. Organ specific manifestation. Organ specific. 2 simple terms are given, and we will be linking this organ specific and particular organ, limited to the organ. Very good. Limited to the organ. Very good, Divyansh. This response I got from very few students. Organ specific. See, students, organ specific means one particular infectious agent will infect one particular organ, or the other way, one particular infectious agent will enter and hamper one particular tissue. So this is called organ specific and tissue specific manifestation. So disease causing microbes enter the body by different means and goes to different organ and tissues. Suppose if the microbe is entering through nose, which organ is it likely to infect? I repeat my question. if a microbe enters through nose, then which organ is it likely to affect? Take the present scenario example regarding COVID-19. Correct, Pallavi, Vaishnavi? Yes, correct, Piyush, Aditya, Niharika, Sakshi, correct, correct, very correct. Sahil, Ayan, correct. Very good. Yes. So if the entry point is the nose, then the organ likely to get infected is the lung. Okay. For example, if you are talking about TB, tuberculosis, it is caused by the bacteria and it affects the respiratory organ, that is the lung. Correct. Now, if the microbes enter through the mouth, then which part is it likely to affect more? If the microbe is entering through mouth, which part is likely to affect more? Okay, okay. Srishti, Piyush, Vaishnavi, Divyansh. Okay. Yes. Fine. Yes. Definitely we will be say it will be staying in the gut or the intestine, and it can cause, suppose, the bacteria that is causing the typhoid or the bacteria that causes the jaundice. So if they will enter through mouth, they will stay in the gut and they are likely to affect, if we are saying jaundice, then they will be affecting the liver, correct. So first we studied if the microbe is entering through the nose, it is likely to infect the lung. Second, we studied if the microbe is entering through the mouth, it is likely to infect the intestine, the liver. If the microbe enters the body through sexual contact, suppose the AIDS, then it will weaken the immune system of the body. What is the full form of AIDS, students? What is the full form of AIDS? In class also I discussed. I made you write also. Full form of AIDS, you write in the chat box. What is the full form of AIDS? What is the full form of AIDS? What is the full form of AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Aryaman, okay. Correct. Pallavi, Divyansh, Aryaman, correct. Abhishek, correct. Saloni, also correct. Student, be careful, it is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, fine. So, correct. And if the virus is entering, or we can say the microbe is entering through mosquito bite and goes and infects the brain. For example, one case, encephalitis, that is called the brain fever. So here, students, after discussing all the points, you all.